Welcome to Jainam Software. So today I am going to show you how to use print template in Jainam Software. So just have a look from the master setup, go to the print template, and now you can see print format entry form. Now select category loan and the print name. I will create loan card. Now this entry is saved. So you can see the variable list print format design. From here, company logo, current date, customer photo, PAN number, passport number, which that format is used for print. So just click on this and now you can see the print name, edit, print format. Now from the variable, take one. For example, I can take this installment tracker and just copy this and add to this and just don't forget to add hash and now you can see here print format preview and just update this from here. Now this entry is saved successfully. Okay, then just select this and now go to one loan account and now from the print format you can see installment tracker here. So you can take this print from the right hand side logo. So you can take print from here and you can use this print format. So for next example, master setup, print template. Now you can see there is pre-configured print template. So how can we use this? I will tell you. This is just select loan card and now you can see this loan card is pre-configured based on standard template. This is if you want to use this template, then copy to your customized template and then modify as per your business requirement. So just copy this template select loan card and then copy template and yes, template is copied successfully. Now from the search bar search one loan and go to the print format. And now you can see that your company details is here. So in this format, whatever you want to make changes, you can make from the print template master setup. So just have a look. Master setup, go to the print template and now select loan card and you can see there edit print format. Now from this format you can add your whatever details you want to add. For example, here your company name. So let's take a company name Jainam Software, or you can take J Company, JJ Company, and you can add the address also, like 123 Gujarat, for example, and the mobile number, company mobile number, and just save this entry from the below. Now this is saved successfully. So select this loan card and just have a look, search one loan, and now go to the print format, select loan card, and now you can see whatever changes I have made. The JJ company and the mobile number, everything is here. So this type you can use this Jainam software, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.